Jake with MarineMax Savannah here.
Today I've got a 2026 Yamaha FSH 255 Sport E. It is on an aluminum trailer, which is an upgrade. Tandem axle, which is great for distributing that weight while on the road. Most people tend to trailer these boats, so really nice setup here. You've got a hard top up here. I'm going to go ahead and bring you to the back, and I'll show you some of what we got going on back here. So back here on the transom, you can see that you've got these two brackets right here, and what those are for is these seats that mount into there, which gives you that ability to sit partially in the water, with this being like your deck or your table. You've got some cup holders up here, you've got the stereo control right here, you've obviously got the deployable swim ladder, jet propulsion technology, and something I really like about this boat is it comes with underwater lights, which is great when it's at night. It gives a nice appeal. It really looks great. So I'll go ahead and bring you aboard here. So we'll start up here at the bow. First of all, you can see you've got quite a bit of seating, you've got quite a bit of space. I'm going to hop up here and show you. Got a nice deep anchor locker. Great storage solution right there. Close that. You've got cup holders all throughout. You've got some speakers up here. You've got cup holders right back here. Overall, a great layout. If you want some more room, you can actually pull this out. You don't have to have that inserted. Just great setup, great for seating. I'll go ahead and show you this right here. Perfect storage for all of your tackle boxes and your trash can right there. So overall, great setup. Everyone always wonders where they're going to put the trash on the boat. Yamaha solved that problem. Big feature that a lot of people really like about these Yamaha jet boats on these center consoles is you can lift this up and you've got a makeshift changing station right here. I did put the cover to the boat inside here, so you'll see that down in here, but this is really nice. Great place for a little bit of privacy while you're out on the water. I'm going to touch on that cover real quick too. That is something that Yamaha has done an incredible job with. They make some premium covers, and it really does a great job with protecting the boat in general. So I'll go ahead and close that. Obviously, you can see this see-through plexiglass right here. Really love what they did with that there. I mean, that's that's your live well. So anything you catch, the kids can look at that, and very nice. So bring you over to the side here. You've got rod holders along both sides. This is on the port and the starboard side, and you can see how tall this gunnel is. I mean, this is coming up almost to my hip. You got little kids, you're worried about people falling off the boat. This is your preventive right here, and I hear that from a lot of people who get on these and they say, I'm just worried about the kids on the boat and everything. And they get on here and they're like, wow, this is great. This is safer than I thought it would be. So definitely a good move on their part. Once again, you've got rod holders throughout, plenty of space for them. You've got rod holders right up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them right there. So plenty of space for storage. I'm going to go ahead and transition to the helm here. I'll stand right over here. First of all, you can see this is coming standard with the boat. This is a Simrad. So your Sport E is going to come standard with that Simrad, whereas the other models do not. You got a phone charger right here. You got the Yamaha readout screen. All of your auxiliary buttons are right there within reach. Very easy to use. You've got some charging ports, USB ports right here. 12 volt outlet. All in all, Yamaha's just done a wonderful job with this. Standard on these boats. Flip those up if you want to stand while you're driving. Then obviously, you want to rest for a while, just flip them back down. All right, transitioning back to here, I want to show you this over here. So you've got raw water washdown and you've got a freshwater washdown. So huge advantage, especially you come from the beach or something like that. You want to rinse the kids off, keep the boat nice and clean. That's going to allow you to do that. And then obviously you're looking at this back row of seating here. There's plenty of seating about. I mean, you can fit quite a few people on this. You've got this nice Yamaha branded cooler right under the captain's chair here. If you want some extra space, you can flip this down, just like that. And that gives you some more room for standing up and maybe doing some fishing back here. Speaking of that, you've got bait well right there. Keep all your bait fresh. Very easy to access. More cup holders throughout. And once again, whether you are an experienced boater or you're brand new to boating, this is an excellent choice. People love these boats. And my name is Jacob. I'm from MarineMax Savannah, and I'm looking forward to seeing you.